And guys, good morning sa inyo lahat. Nandito tayo ngayon sa aking bahay. Sisimulan ko muna yung division ng aming kwarto. Gagamitan ko ng hardiplex, gypsum board. Yan. Ito yung gamit natin. Gypsum board na 4, ilang mm ba to? Wait lang, tingnan natin. Yung dito yan gypsum. Ayan. Ano yung napirasong ilang mm ba to? 12 mm yan. Yan. Yan ang ating ilalagay dyan sa dingding. Dito yung kama ng anak ko. Nakahang. Gagawa ko ng hagdan dito banda. Yan. So, tara guys, kakabitan natin. I-adjust ko lang muna yun kasi medyo hindi siya pantay sa 8 feet kasi nagpatong na ako ng semento, so hindi na siya pantay. Simple sa unang ginawa kasi nagtapping na lang ako dito. Yan. Kaya umangat siya ng dos. So, iangat ko rin doon ng dos. Yan. Nakaangat na doon. Kita nyo, hindi na siya pantay. Yun muna gagawin ko. I-re-ribbit ko muna. Ayun guys, na-adjust na natin ng konti. Yan. Dito siya dati. Inangat lang natin ng konti. Para magpantay yung dugtungan. Yan. Okay na yan. I-re-ribbit na lang natin. Gamit ko nga palang ribbit ay ito, 532 and 3/4 yan. Para sapol na po sapol yan. Yan. So, magbubutas na tayo guys. Tara. Fix na agad yan. Kabila na lang. Ito okay na. Yan. Okay na yan. Sa ilalim naman, lalagyan natin doon. Medyo matagal-tagal yan. Magkakat muna ako. Ayan, nagkakat muna natin yan. Fix na natin yung sa baba. Naputol na pala. I-fix naman natin yan. Gamit ang drill. Yan, dali lang yan. Hirap pag walang assistant guys. Ayan, 1-0. Ibay na agad. Yan lang guys, paulit-ulit lang naman yan. Tag-isa na lang. Sa baba naman yan. Okay lang yan. Ay guys, nakabit na natin. Subukan natin ilagay. Okay. Sakto, di ba? Sukat na sukat. You know. ititrace ko lang yung saksakan para mabutasan ko. Yan. Guys, naikabit na natin yung isang gypsum board. Yan. So far, okay naman. Hindi naman natumba. Yan. Tapos natin yung dalawang naikabit natin. Yan. Yan muna, sukatin natin yan yung kalahati. Kakapit natin ngayon para tapos na dito sa side namin. Na agad nakabit na natin lahat. Yan. Doon lang sa taas. Maliit na piraso. Tapos dito, yan. Okay na. Tingnan natin sa likod. Ayan, dito sa likod. Yan. Okay na. Ayos na. Ayos. Yan. Dito na lang tayo sa side na to. Gawin natin ngayon.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy.